Good morning, ma'am.
Wow. How was yesterday, Madhura?
Ma'am, it was amazing. I loved it. My mentees enjoyed the session. And my eyes were swollen later. But it was very nice, ma'am. I'm really excited for today.
I'm so thankful to hear that.
Yes, ma'am.
Thankful to hear that. Ria, how was your day?
It was amazing. I really did not think that it would be possible to have everything on time. It was amazing
Good.
how it turned out.
I'm so happy for that. Arushi, you? What kind of day did you have?
It was amazing. Like the moment my mentees were answering the questions, I was about to cry because like they were answering.
Why cry?
Not cry, it was a lot. Like they were actually able to understand what I was saying, even though it was through video audio call. They were able to understand what I was trying to say. Really.
And Nisha, you?
Ma'am, I had a really good time yesterday. It was really, the answers were really creative. I was not expecting them to come up with such creative answers or actually even answer my questions, because at first they were so reluctant and they were just like, okay, this is the activity, fine. But then when they started answering and they got comfortable, it was really nice.
Good. I'm so glad. Dilkhush, how was the evening session? You were the only one of the only ones running the
Yes,
evening session.
yes, ma'am. So I was a bit panicky in the evening because I was like, oh my God, everybody's done and I am left and I don't know how will it go. So I was really panicking, and there were people who just backed out when I was calling them, the mentees. So there was one who could not connect. So finally, I had to do a one-on-one session, which I did not expect. So it was a very uncertain thing. Like there was a lot of uncertainty. First of all, I did not know if I'll be having mentees, will I be mentoring till almost afternoon or evening. So I was a little uncertain yesterday. However, once the activity was over and they were able to answer most of the questions, and they were pretty I mean, they were sweet, and I liked it. However,
You
now
liked
again, I
it.
don't know if they will be continuing with the same. I mean, I will be continuing with the same pair of mentees, or will it change? So I'm still in a state of uncertainty. So
Living in a state of uncertainty is a good thing, Dilkhush. And those of us who master it end up being very successful in life. Certainty is overrated. Certainty is overrated. So it's good. Embrace it for what you're receiving. Mayuresh, tell me why your camera is not on. Sovia, tell me why your camera is not on. This is day 2. You should know better than that. You should know better than that. Isha, tell me about your day. Isha, tell me about your day.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Uh,
darling.
yes, so ma'am, like from 3 of my mentees, there was only one mentee who continued for the session. So of course, I wanted those 2 mentees to continue, but I had 2 mentees with my co-mentor Panya. So it was a great experience. Like I had a really great answers from Arbaz, who was my mentee, and also uh, I guess there was a girl. I forgot her name. I'm so sorry,
It's
but
okay.
even she had such great answers. Like they were, thinking a lot before answering. They just didn't give answers for the just sake of giving, but they, like they really answered well.
Good.
Experience.
Good. So our final tally yesterday was 78. 78 kids is who you are, is how many kids you all mentored yesterday. Like Isha told me last night, it would have been 79, but one got cut off
Ma'am, audio, ma'am, audio.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Is that, can you hear me now? Yes? All right. Okay. So, so we have 78 kids who you all mentored yesterday through both activities. Some of you definitely, we see that thumbs up, Prashna ma'am. We love that. Some of you definitely faced challenges, no doubt about it. But you all seriously rose to the occasion. You all seriously rose to the occasion. Where is Ankita? Is Ankita on the call? She's not on my most immediate screen. Ankita, are you on the call? Maybe not. Okay, so I heard that one of Ankita's children got, after one activity, cut the call. And instead of just letting him go, she called him. She explained to him why it is important for him to be part of this program, the benefits he would receive. And so he was not into the activity. He was not feeling the activity. So she explained to him what that activity is actually doing in his mind, how it's helping him. She must have explained it so well that he got on the call again and he completed the day with her, right? So many situations like this your seniors told me about. Yes, Madhura, she deserves that. I don't know why she's not on the call. But I saw that Ishleen, Pari, and Rakshita, good on you. So, you know, a lot of you went above and beyond. A lot of you tried to bring your mentees back to you. So that was really heartening, really heartening to see. And your seniors had amazing things to say about you all. How you all went the extra mile, how you all stepped up. So I'm really happy to hear those stories. We faced a couple of challenges yesterday, network definitely being one of those challenges. Also, parents not understanding what we were doing and keeping their children on the phone for as long as we were keeping the children on the phone. So we've spoken to some of the parents, we've explained to some of the parents what's happening. You know, they were not, nobody was expecting us to conduct this during lockdown. So so they knew about Pehchan and they understood it, but they thought it was going to be in a college, so they did not think that during lockdown. So what we've explained to them is, before college starts, we will not have a live version of Pehchan. So we still wanted to get to their kids so they could have some support before they went to college. So some of them who we reached, they were able to understand what we were saying. Today we wanted to tackle the lunch issue. So we're not going to do a mentee call. As soon as we finish this call, we're going to go straight onto your call with your kids. Now listen, are you going to have a little bit of a fallout today? Maybe some kids don't come back today. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Do you have to take that personally and get fully destroyed that my child did not come back?
No.
No, you know, you'll always give the correct answers, but then you'll still feel those things. You'll always give the correct answers, but then you'll still feel those things. Do you know 78 is an amazing number, given all the hurdles that we have to face to reach the kids. And some of you did our activities on the, like actually a regular landline. Some of you actually said, I'm not giving up on my child. Saying, all right, you can't see my video. I'm going to get on a regular phone and do it with you. And you did it with them on a regular phone. And we have feedback, video feedback from one of those mentees with whom you did it on the phone. Clearly she understood, clearly she participated, and clearly she's coming back today. So you all just didn't give up, and that's the heart we're looking for. That's the heart we're looking for. All right. Some of you don't look like you're in your Pehchan shirts. Some of you don't look like you've tied up your hair. And some of you don't look like you've slept despite me telling you all to go to sleep yesterday. So I hope before you get on your mentee calls, you do the needful. But I would like to see you the way you are supposed to be when you come to this call. So I don't have any doubts about how you're getting on that call. All right? So let me not see this again tomorrow, please. All right? If this is day 2 and you're already making your standard come lower, then I'm going to be concerned about day 3. So let's not get to day 3 like that. All right? Don't let me see this again tomorrow. And what activities do we have today? Someone take me through the first activity we have today, please. Akshika, take me through the first activity we have today, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The first activity is the picture says 1,000 words, and here the participants will be given 50 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes closely, and they'll be shown a picture. Well, they'll have to discuss among themselves that what does the picture says. So we'll be
Okay.
asking them 5 questions. First question says, what happened before the picture? Second question, what happened after the picture? Third question, what is going in the picture? And fourth question, they have to analyze the picture as it, what does it convey? What do they learn? And fifth question was how uh, um, how was it?
Once again, the questions are
Yeah.
not correct. The questions are not correct. Let's go through these questions again. Ishleen, do you remember the questions?
Ma'am, what do they think happened right before the picture?
That's right.
What is happening at the moment in the picture?
That's right.
What do you think happened after the picture?
That's right. That's correct.
What do you feel seeing the picture? And what do you think the message conveyed by the picture?
Close.
Yes.
Fourth question. Anybody remember what the fourth question is? Yes, Riya Jain.
The fourth question is, what is the character feeling?
Yes. What are the characters in the picture feeling? Not what we are feeling. And somebody clarify correctly what the fifth question is. Devika, fifth
What
question.
is the story of the picture?
That's right. What is the story the picture is telling? Again, I'm going to go through it. Past, present, future. What do you think happened before the picture? What do you think is happening in the picture? What do you think will happen after this moment that is in the picture? What do you think each of the characters in the picture are feeling? And what do you think the whole story is? All right. Now, Hawa, Vinita, Faiza, I hear that your mentees are ready to level up. You all were like, we need to get this to another level. This is an activity where you take them to the other level. This is an activity where you question their thought process in a way that allows them to think more deeply. Right? For example, what do you think happened before this picture? So they give you one scenario. What else could have happened? What else could have happened? You take 3 possible befores. You take 3 possible what is happening now. Vinita, let me see you. Turn your camera on, please.
Ma'am, my camera is not working as of now because I think there is some technical issue. That's why.
Okay. So 3 possible scenarios that happened before this point, 3 in and 3 future. You understand? So what we want, the kids, your kids, who you feel are maybe a little ahead of the curve, you want to challenge them to think there's more than one way, more than one opportunity. Just because I go to college and I face one problem and I execute one solution doesn't mean I'm done. I have a possible solution 2 and I have a possible solution 3. You see, we don't talk directly about college, but through these activities, these are the seeds we're planting in their minds, that you have options, right? So this is an activity where you level them up. If you need to level them up even further than the 3 options before, 3 options during, 3 options future, then you ask questions about the options that they are presenting in front of you, right? Faiza, you're confused about what I'm saying, or you understand what I'm saying?
Can you repeat the last part again? Like,
Yes, absolutely, I will. So if they answer, you know that boy who's over the fire and has his hands like this. So if they say before it, maybe it was a really cold night, and so he decide now in the moment he's built a fire and he's warming his hands. What could have possibly caused the night to be cold? Right, so the temperatures fell all of a sudden or whatever it is. Do you know what measures the temperature? How would you, do you understand what I'm trying to say, Faiza? But now when you ask a question, you should be sure you know the answer. So challenge their thought process. You would even say, if I were in your position to see where they are, I would even ask, do you know the spelling of temperature? Spell temperature for me. So now I'm using so many different parts of the right brain, right? So, and of course, connecting it with the left brain. So here you are talking about a story, then you're asking them to spell the word temperature. Now this is only and only, listen carefully kids, don't go out and do this with all your kids. I'm talking only to the mentors who felt yesterday that the exercises were a little too basic for their mentees. I'm not talking to all of you, okay? I'm just talking to those of you who felt the exercises were basic. I'm giving you ways that you can level them up, right? Similarly, for the trial run of table topics we're going to do, we're not spending too much time on table topics today. We're just going to introduce them to the concept of table topics today. So table topics can definitely be leveled up, and we'll tell you how to do that tomorrow. What's the second activity you're doing today? Today is picture with 1,000 words, and what's the second activity?
Self-guru.
Self-guru.
Sorry, please?
Self-guru.
Self-guru, right? So self-guru is definitely now, look, right off the bat, I can tell you some of your kids are going to find self-guru boring. Right up front, I can tell you that. But is it necessary for them? It is absolutely necessary for them. Even in our live versions of Pehchan, we have some activities the kids consider boring. Because think of we live in a digital age. They have all kinds of technology making all sorts of centers in their brains light up. So when they have to sit and they have to watch a 3-minute motivational video and then discuss it, it may be boring for some of them. Over here is where you get how you mentor, how you keep their attention, the quality of questions that you will ask to keep them engaged. Okay, so, and you can use the questions on the activity sheet as a superb guide. And if you need to level them up, you ask tougher questions. You ask more thoughtful questions. All right? Okay, so your main 2 activities are these 2. If you have not done the affirmation with your children, please do the affirmation with your children. All right? Start with that. If you've not done the affirmation, start with that. All right? Okay, Keisha has sent me some points that we need to quickly cover. Yes, here is one way you can help your kids stay connected with you and not drop from the call, not ask for a break, things like that. Like some of the kids said they have to go for lunch. Now, for example, if I was on the call with them, I would have said something about, I would have connected their future and college back to what we are doing, and do you think lunch can wait if for 10 minutes if this is what we're trying to get you to, right? Instead of saying, yes, okay, go to lunch. All right, no break, guys. Once you give them a break, getting them back is tough. Please think about this, okay? We experienced this yesterday. Finish what you have to do with them on the phone. Finish what you have to do with them on the phone. All right, so please explain to them the purpose of Pehchan. Ritu, what is the purpose of Pehchan? And don't say to bridge the inequitable education gap between the public and private sectors of education. What is the purpose of Pehchan?
To make them college ready.
Okay, Devika, another reason for Pehchan.
To make them feel confident so that in college they don't get scared of asking questions
Okay,
and
Mayuresh.
talking to people.
Yes, good, Devika. Mayuresh, one more reason.
To level them up.
You're asking or you're telling?
I'm telling.
Asha. Level them up to what?
Like in their overall personality.
What's wrong with their overall personality?
Like some of them are not, like some of them are scared, and yeah, so we are making their level up. We are building we are building confidence in them.
Okay. Faiza, how about you? See how I did that? Question after question after question. That was for you, but my Faiza was not paying attention to me. Alright. So that was for you. Yeah, I can see everything. I don't know why you all think I can't. I just don't know why you all think I can't. Akhilesh, you have a question?
So I have to say some points that
Yes,
some
please
words.
say your points, Akhilesh. We want to hear your points. Please tell us.
So Pehchan is also to make the better version of themselves.
Make a better version. But what's wrong with the version they are today?
Ma'am, good, but we can make a better. They facing some like confidence and all that part. We can make them super confidence and creating logical and create all the thinkings and the skills they have. We can create some skills on them.
Yes, you know, today you all have understood the logic of that. Today, because we've covered it so many times, and so when someone says it to you, you understand it. You have to make your participants understand. What will they face in college, and how will this activity help them with that? What will they face in college, and how will this activity help them with that? Connect it. Don't just say, okay, abhi hamara next activity hai deserted island. Aapko jaake no, don't do that. I see Pari laughing at me, but you all know you did this yesterday. Tell them why it will benefit them first, and then start it. All right, and then start it. Okay, 1 second. I'm just going through because they're just the points to me, so I'm making sure. Yes. Okay. All right. Now, sometimes I already addressed this. 1 or 2 occasions happened yesterday where some of them were bored and they exited the call. At which point, if you are with a team, one of you can call and see about getting them back on the call. Like Ankita's example, exactly what I told you. All right. Help me understand. I gave you all 3 ways to connect. 3 ways. If Zoom doesn't work, what's your other option?
WhatsApp.
That's right. And if WhatsApp doesn't work, what's your option?
Normal call.
Normal call. Please don't change the formula. Please don't change the formula. All right, please don't change the formula. Don't tell me when I ask you, why didn't a certain call complete? Or why, when a senior asks you, why didn't a certain call complete? Don't say Zoom cut and I thought I'll connect with him later on Zoom. No. We've clearly told you what to do. In this window of time, you must complete your call in this window of time. And in this window of time, you have to use the options that have been given to you. Is this clear to everybody? Anybody in doubt about this? Thank you, Paddy. Anybody in doubt about this? All right. Listen, guys, as many times as I had said, how many times did I say on the mentee call only the seniors will come? Yet 2 or 3 of you showed up on the mentee call yesterday. Please don't do these things. Please listen to the instructions that are being given to you all. We are here to not only make you a success, but to also, Kanishka, are you with me? But to also make other young kids like you all a success. All right? Okay. All right, I see you all. All right. Everybody excited for the day ahead? Ronak, I'm still waiting for that video you promised me, Ronak.
Yes, ma'am, I'll send it today for sure.
We'll see. We'll see. Ronak was like so excited yesterday, And the second I told him to send us how he felt, he was like, ma'am, I can't do that. But he was so excited yesterday. It was like a little kid. So I'm waiting to see that video. All right, guys, I want to close. I forgot to start with prayer, so we're going to close with prayer. No, we're going to do affirmation first and then close with prayer. Who are the 2 seniors doing the affirmation today, please? Seniors, did you all get this together for today? I can't even see them. Mohammed, who are the 2 seniors doing it today?
Ma'am, we haven't decided. You just give 2 names.
I just give 2 names. Satyam, is your microphone working?
Yes, it is.
Okay, Satyam, can you take us through the whole affirmation a little quickly, please?
Yes, sure.
Go for it, Satyam.
We are India's promise. हम भारत का विश्वास है. We are India's dream. हम भारत का सपना है. We are India's hope. हम भारत की आशा है. पहचानो हमें. We are more than our skin color. त्वचा के रंग से अधिक. More than our religion. धर्म से ज्यादा. More than where we live and more than what we do. पहचानो हमें. हम नहीं डरते हैं. We are not afraid. हम किसी को दोषी नहीं मानते हैं. We don't blame anyone. हम खुद के सपने देखते हैं. We dream our own dreams. हम खुद के मौके सर्जन करते हैं. We create our own opportunities. We step boldly forward into the future that we create for ourselves. पहचानो हमें. We believe. हम मानते हैं. आमी मानतो. आमी मान्य छे. We believe in दोस्ती, friendship, in unity, एकता, in equal opportunities for all, बराबरी के मौके. We stand in the faith that education can create these opportunities. पहचानो हमें. वो मैं हूँ. She is me. मैं वो हूँ. I am him. We are one. हम एक है. We are one. पहचानो हमें. हमारी पहचान है आपकी पहचान.
Well done, Satyam. Good job. Thank you, Satyam, for taking us through that. We love that. Good job. All right, everybody. We need to be on our A game. I need you to have another win today and come back and tell us all the amazing things that happened today. We're on the right track. We're doing the right work. Keep this focused and this aligned, and we will have another super successful day. All right. All right, let's close this out with prayer. You need to get on. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. You need to get on your call as soon as this call is over. Don't run around here and there. Get on your call. Yes, who had something to say?
Ma'am, Dilkush.
Yes.
I just wanted to ask regarding the table topics. What is the basic thing that we're supposed to do today?
Same, the first part of your table topics, getting them to answer in your activities manual, the first part. Dilkush, I can't see you, so I'm unable to acknowledge you.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Right.
Yes.
Any other questions before we head out today? Guys, I can't, you're on 3 different screens, so you're just gonna have to speak for me to know you want to talk to me. Yes, yes, Faiza.
I just wanted to confirm, for in a picture says 1,000 words, we're showing every picture to them for 30 seconds, if I'm not wrong.
This is not the memory game, Faiza. This is not the memory game. So you can leave the picture up. It's not like you're putting it up and then taking it away. So this is not the memory game. You can leave the picture on your screen share if you're using it on Zoom, or they can keep looking at it. It's completely fine. In picture is 1,000 words. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I had one more question. So if we are doing an audio call and we have to do a picture says 1,000 words, so then do we like entirely skip the activity, or do we send
No.
them on WhatsApp and ask them to look at?
That's right. You send it on
Or-
WhatsApp and you ask them to look at it. That's exactly right, Dilkush. You send it on WhatsApp and you ask them to look at it.
But
That's
then,
right.
ma'am, if they're facing internet issues, that's the reason we are doing an audio call, right?
Yes, but to continue doing the video call is what is causing them an issue. To receive an image is not causing them an issue.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, to receive an image is not causing them an issue. All right?
All right. Okay.
Any other questions? Anybody? You just have to speak because I can't see everybody on one screen. Although I am going next to see if anybody's raising their hands. All right. Shall we please close? All right, tomorrow I need to see you all dressed better. I need to see you all much more presentable, all right, than I'm seeing many of you today, all right? And send us feedback on the group like you did yesterday. It makes me the happiest. It makes Rashna ma'am the happiest to see these kinds of stories. It makes time, energy, effort worth it. So please share your feedback. And guys, I know you all are tired at the end of your debriefs, but please remember to send your stickers and please connect with our social media. We can't educate people about a gap if we're not creating any momentum. We're putting the links up, but we need you to please click on those links and create some momentum for us. All right, Dilkush, did you hear me? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, close your eyes, please. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes, please. Father, thank you for watching over us today. We know some of us are a little tired. We know some of us are a little emotionally taken by the day that happened yesterday. Please clear out anything negative that may be residing within us. Please allow us to open our hearts and embrace the day ahead of us. Please allow us to solve any challenge that comes our way with wisdom and compassion. In your name we pray. Amen. All right. Got it? Got it, got it, got it. Go out there. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing day. Brushali, we love you. And we're so happy to have you back. And have a good day. Have a good day. All right? All right. See you all tomorrow. Love you. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Go out there and do an awesome job for us today. All right? See you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you. Bye.